Centralized finance versus decentralized finance. Over the years since blockchain technology started advancing, the idea of decentralized finance has been introduced. To understand the difference between centralized and decentralized finance, we have to delve deeper into the two different entities. By the end of this video, you should have a good idea about the two and how they differ in the financial world. Centralized finance is how cryptocurrencies were originally bought and sold. By exchanges owned by a central group or person, an individual would buy the cryptocurrencies and sell them on an exchange. The centralized exchange manages the cryptocurrencies for the customer and also holds the keys to any crypto on the exchanges. In crypto they say, not your keys, not your crypto. Decentralized finance, on the other hand, allows for the user to own their own keys to their crypto, allowing them to be the only ones able to send it anywhere or spend it anywhere. Also, using decentralized finance is a popular way for the unbanked to use crypto services and get involved with cryptocurrencies using specific apps built on blockchain technology. There are no exchanges involved with decentralized finance, and all processes happen in an automated fashion through applications designed on the blockchain. The biggest difference between the two is the involvement of the exchange. While centralized finance requires a crypto exchange to purchase, sell, and trade, decentralized finance only relies on the specific technology. Crypto assets are more vulnerable on exchanges in centralized finance because of the custodial factor of the exchanges. They have access to your crypto, and not you in this case. So, using decentralized finance, it is much safer and cheaper to stake or create more crypto using your current crypto, trade, buy, or sell using decentralized apps. Exchanges on centralized finance are mainly the only ways to buy into cryptocurrencies using fiat money, and most are commonly used for doing so. The exchanges have the risk of keeping everyone's crypto investment secure and also making sure their customers are educated on the different complicated use cases of each cryptocurrency. Decentralized finance is most commonly used through the Ethereum blockchain using apps built on Ethereum and requiring transaction fees to make most transactions go through correctly. My best advice is to Google what you're trying to find out or figure out, and usually you can find an article exactly about the problem you're facing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and leave any comments below. And also check out the comments below for some very interesting links and other items you can get involved with. And I'll see you later.